Can you guess what this woman's hiding? If you have toenail fungus, you already know. You've felt that feeling of embarrassment over how bad your toes look. You've tried the creams and maybe even prescriptions but are worried about harmful side effects. Now, there is hope for nails. Look at these extraordinary transformations. Even horrible cases of toenail fungus with thick, ugly nails have become clear again with healthy regrowth. Imagine your current toenails being able to go from being full of fungus and then improving to this. You need Hope for Nails, the all-natural, non-toxic supplement proven to deal with toenail fungus. Dr. Jeffrey Kleiss has been a foot specialist for over 25 years. He personally formulated Hope for Nails and has used it successfully treating his patients for years.
Toenail fungus develops when your immune system has a weak response to a fungus. We often find this can be genetic. I spent years perfecting a formulation that boosts your body's natural defenses against the fungus so you can get back to clear and healthy nails. We fight fungal nails from the inside and the results are incredible. You can rest assured that Hope for Nails is all natural, safe, and effective at fighting fungus from the inside.
Now it's your turn to finally have great-looking toenails again so you can put your best foot forward. It's time for Hope for Nails. Call or go online now to fight fungus from the inside for just $19.95. An incredible value for an all-natural solution to have clear, healthy toes again. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. Try Hope for Nails. If you don't see a noticeable improvement in your nails, send the unused portion back for a full refund. Order now because there is Hope for Nails. Call or go online now to receive Hope for Nails for just $19.95. This offer is not available in stores, so act now. The sooner you order, the sooner you can see improvement. You deserve healthy, beautiful nails. Order now.